Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. I am so excited for today's video because first of all, I absolutely love filming cooking videos for you guys. I have filmed so many here on my channel, but today I am especially excited because I will be sharing with you my favorite healthy dessert recipes. If you're excited for today's video, give it a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to my channel and join the family. I post so many videos on health and wellness and I share so many different healthy recipes with you guys. I also post 2 times a week on Mondays and on Thursdays. So now enough rambling with this intro, let's just go ahead and get started. The first recipe that I will be showing you guys is my favorite chocolate chia pudding. The last video I uploaded was 15 healthy pantry essentials that I recommended to you guys, and in that video I told you guys that I would be making this recipe, so that's why I wanted to do it right away. So yes, even if what we will be making is pudding, it is healthy. Chia seeds are so good for you because they are just full of vitamins and minerals. They are high in protein and omega-3, and they are also high in fiber, which supports your digestive system. So there are so many benefits to chia seeds, but those are just, I guess, the main ones. Now you can make so many different recipes with chia pudding. You can really have fun with it, but my favorite way to make it is the chocolate way. So of course, the first thing you'll need are chia seeds. And we'll go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of that. You really don't want to go too heavy with chia seeds because once they are settling in the liquid, they do expand. So make sure not to put too much of those. I am going to be putting 2 tablespoons. The next thing you'll need is 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. People don't know this, but cocoa is a superfood and is so healthy for you. People just associate it right away to like milk chocolate that is just full of sugar. But in cocoa powder, there is only 1 ingredient, and that is cocoa. There is, if you look at the nutrition facts, there is literally 0 grams of sugar. So this is amazing because you get that chocolate taste without having all that sugar. So we'll go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of this in here. So the next thing you need is obviously some sweetener, and for this there are so many different things that you can use. If you want to use maple syrup, go ahead, or else you can even use honey. My choice would be this organic blue agave syrup, and you want to put 1 tablespoon of this. To be honest, when it comes to this, I just eyeball it. The next thing you'll need is vanilla extract, and you need half of a teaspoon of this. The final ingredient is milk, and for this you can once again choose whatever milk you like. My choice is almond milk. I get this one from Costco. It's from the Kirkland brand. It is unsweetened, but you can use oat milk, cashew milk, even coconut milk. You can choose whatever you like, but you do need 250 ml of this. Now just take your whisk, and we are going to do this for a good amount of time because as you will see, the cocoa really clumps up a little. So really make sure that there are no more clumps. Alright, once you are done mixing, just go ahead and put that in your favorite clear mug here. Now it's important that you need to let this set for at least 2 hours. I'd recommend really that you do it at night and have it like the next day. So I would set it overnight. That's personally what I do. But if you do want to have it relatively soon, you need to let it set in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. So I'll just put some saran wrap on top. And now we'll just let that sit. Now, of course, for this video, I did already make another one last night to show you how it will look. As you will see, it has a very moussey consistency, which is great. When I do make this chocolate pudding, my favorite toppings to put on top are, first of all, cacao nibs, because obviously it just goes with it. So I won't put too much. I'll just put a little handful like this right on top. Maybe a little more. And then I absolutely love adding some shredded coconut on top. With this, you don't want to put too much because as healthy as coconut can be for you, it is very high in calories because it is a healthy fat. So just go ahead and put a bit of that. And there you have it, some healthy pudding. That is chia seed pudding. I'm telling you guys, this is so good and I just know you'll love it. The next thing we'll be making is a healthy brownie. Yes, you heard that right. You can make a brownie not too high in calorie if you choose healthy ingredients. So the recipe that I chose to show you guys today is one of my favorites, and it actually only takes 2 minutes to cook because we will just be putting it in the microwave. So this is kind of like a brownie in a mug. So basically this is one portion and it comes out to like 185 calories, which is just amazing. Of course, the first thing you'll need is flour. Now, like I said, you want to choose a healthy flour. Don't choose, you know, white all-purpose flour. What I like to do is I actually bought these rolled oats here, and all I do is just put them in the blender and blend them up, and then what you get is some oat flour. So you want to use 1 tablespoon of oat flour, or just any oat flour that you would like. It could be almond flour, coconut flour, whatever your favorite is. I just go in with oat flour, so 1 tablespoon of that. Once again, let's get that unsweetened cocoa powder, and we'll go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of this. The next thing we'll need is a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now let's just go ahead and mix up our dry ingredients. The next thing you'll need is milk. Once again, my choice will be this unsweetened almond milk, and you need 3 tablespoons of this. The next ingredient is half of a ripe banana. I have already mashed it here, just with a fork. So now we'll go ahead and add that in there. This will add sweetness to our brownie without having to add so much sugar. After adding the banana, go ahead and mix that up until there are no more clumps. Once again, the cocoa will start to clump up a little, so just mix until there are no more clumps. This already smells so good. All right, the last ingredient we need is half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I lied. The last ingredient now is optional, and it is semi-sweet chocolate chips. Of course, if you want this to be even less calories, skip this step. I like to put like only 10 chips. I don't really count them. I just take a little handful and throw them in there. So finally, let's just go ahead and transfer it into this microwave safe mug. Now we are going to microwave for 2 minutes, and then after those 2 minutes, because everyone's microwave is different, then you'll go by intervals of 30 seconds until the texture that you desire. So now, just to start, let's go ahead and put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. All right, that's done. Now, of course, you can have this alone. What I like to do is add some more chocolate chips on top. Not that many. Look. I have here 6 chocolate chips, so I'll just add those on top. And that is it. This is so quick to make. A normal brownie can be like 500 calories a piece, and like I said, this one is not even 200. It's a good portion. This is all you need in the middle of the day when you are really just craving something sweet. So I hope you guys try it out. I'm sure you will love it as much as I do. The last dessert recipe that I will be showing you is one of my favorites, and probably the one that I make the most out of the 3, and that is healthy Snickers bar. So it is super simple. Maybe that's why I do make it the most, but all you need is 3 simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. So first of all, we are going to use those semi-sweet chocolate chips. Once again, I do have them here. I'll just have to heat them up in the microwave, or you can do it on the stove, whichever way you prefer. The next thing you'll need is peanut butter. We do get the light version just because it is healthier, it has less calories. And the final thing that is actually the star of the show here is dates. That is what is going to give that texture and that taste of the Snickers. So all we have to do is go ahead and melt up these chocolate chips, take 2 dates and sandwich them with some peanut butter in the middle. Then we are going to just put the chocolate around it, and there you have a healthy Snickers bar. What I'll do is honestly just have like 3, and after that I am full and my sweet craving is definitely satisfied. So let me just go ahead and heat up these chocolate chips, and I'll show you step by step what to do. Alrighty, now that our chocolate is nice and melted, we are going to take, so depending on how big your dates are, mine, the ones that I have are pretty small. That's why I'll be using 2, but I have seen those really big dates. All you need to do is just cut that one in the middle and put the peanut butter in the middle of it. Then we are going to take just a little bit of peanut butter. You really don't need that much, or else it's just going to overpower the whole taste. So we'll put that in the middle and sandwich the two together, just like that. And then we'll just drop it in here and mix it up. And there you have them. I know that they might not look amazing, but trust me, they are. Now what you need to do is put these in the fridge for a good half an hour, I would say, just so that the chocolate can kind of harden and then it'll be easy to eat. So let's go ahead and do that right now. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I certainly had fun filming this for you guys, because what's better than just making desserts? The best part is that they are healthy and none of them are higher than 200 calories. So if you are on a weight loss journey like I am, this will for sure help you a lot. Now, if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!